Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mobile Legends offline mode not working issues. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to play the Mobile Legends game in offline mode, but it just doesn't seem to work, then there are a few things that you can try to fix this issue. The first thing to do is to check for updates. So open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and then search for Mobile Legends. Once you find the application, if you see an update button, then this means that the application update is available. Tap on this button to install the latest updates, and once it is done, you can open up the game and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then there is one more thing that you can try. Open up your phone settings and tap on Applications. From the application page, scroll down and look for Mobile Legends. Once you find it, just tap on it, and then from the settings page, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now you will find two options. First, you can tap on Clear Cache to clear the application cache. If it still doesn't work after this, then tap on Clear Data and the Delete button to delete your Mobile Legends data. You will need to log into your account once again, but after this, your Mobile Legends offline mode will start to work. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix offline mode not working on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.